Hi everybody, my name's Shane Hayes and I'm a business analyst with Emydex Technology. In our last video, my colleague Alex gave an introduction to the Emydex quality management system, and today I'm going to take you through some of the ways the system captures data. I'm firstly going to go into the workflow builder. This is where you're able to configure the workflow to suit your business requirements. Within the Emydex quality management system, we are able to use elements to capture the data. These elements can be thought of as questions that you would want the operator to answer during their check. Depending on the question they are answering will depend on what element you configure in the workflow. In this workflow, I've already configured elements, which you can see in the list here. To add a new element to the workflow, I simply click the New button. We have different categories of elements, such as buttons, user functions, calendars, program, lookups, numeric, text, version, and lists. In this case, I'm going to add an element to the workflow to record the product temperature. To do this, I'll navigate to the numeric category, which I can then select the temperature element and select Add. I can now start to configure the element by selecting Edit. I'll then give the element a unique code and title. And I'm also able to add extra descriptions to the element which the operator will be able to see whilst completing this section of the check. Within the Workflow Configuration Editor, we've provided the Preview tab, which will allow you to preview the changes you have made. And as this, you can see here that this is the element I've just added to the workflow. I'll now add another element to the workflow to allow the operator to select a yes or no response. To do this, I'll select the New button, navigate to the Button category, and then select a yes or no element. In this case, I'm going to ask the operator if the packaging condition is acceptable. I'm now configuring the element's code, giving it a title, and entering a description for the operator to see during the check. Navigating to the preview window, you can now see that this is the yes or no element that I have just configured to the workflow. Lastly, I'll add a camera element to the workflow to allow the operator to take a photo. I'll follow the same process, firstly selecting Add. This time I'll navigate to the Program category and then select the Photo Upload element and select Add. For this element, I'm going to be asking the operator to take a photo of the product that they have just received. Following the same processes, I will give the element a unique code, enter a title, and a description for the operator to see. Once I select Save, I can then navigate to the Preview tab where I can see the element's configuration. This video was a demonstration of adding several elements to a workflow to give you an understanding of how easy it is to build the workflow to suit your requirements. In the next video, we'll demonstrate how to add conditions to these elements so that you can configure what information the operator has to complete based on the responses that they have given in prior questions. For more information or to request a free online demonstration, get in touch with our sales team using the details on your screen now. Stay tuned for the next video in the Emydex Quality Management series.